Hello viewers, good evening and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by once again. I really appreciate you for being here. And if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face or joining us on this channel, my name is Brother Chima, Prince Mata. And on this particular channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, using the power of God, the power of nature, the power of earth, in order to manifest our spiritual works. And as God may have it, I am a spiritual consultant. And my number is 070-8813-6610. And if you are just joining us on this channel for the very first time, you need to become a bona fide member by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will be notified. Like my videos and give them a thumbs up. Comment on the comment section if there is anything you don't understand that I said on here. And for you, my bona fide subscribers and my returning viewers, you know who you are. May God continue to bless you. In today's spiritual tips or recipe, I bring to your view another way that you can use to recover your glory. As you can see on the topic, how you can recover your glory, your lost glory. A lot of us have lost the gift that God gave to us. A lot of us has lost our glory in the past, unknowingly. Yes, due to our ignorance and our stupidity and on our long throat. What I mean by long throat, being a high test somebody. In anywhere things are happening, you want to be there. Most people, they have eat their own destiny with mouth. They have lost their glory. Yes, by eating what they don't know how it comes out from. By saying lost glory, you can lose your glory through dream. Your glory can be stolen through your dreams. And you see things being difficult for you. You that are doing fine before you had that dream. After having the dream, you see your business going down. A lot of people has been frustrated because their glory has been stolen. Because they have eaten their glory with their own mouth. So they cause frustration on their own life. You that are doing well, you that you have money, your business is flourishing. All of a sudden, your business started going down. You don't know what happened. You have eaten your glory somehow, somewhere. Either by dream or by physical, without knowing. And as a result of it, it has backfired on you. You that are doing well now, you are no longer doing well. Relax. Don't touch that dial. Make sure you watch this video starting from the starting point to the end, because there is a lot of knowledge flowing through this stream of wisdom. Yes. No knowledge is wasted. So like as I was saying, people, long throat has caused a lot of damage in people's life. A man called me on the phone and he said, Brother Chima, I have been watching your video since over 3 months. And I felt very confident watching your video because you say it the way it is. I have a problem. I was in Nigeria and I was doing well. All of a sudden, my business started going down. I now decided to sold everything I have to travel to abroad. And now that I am in this country, things has not been well. Has been very difficult. I have been feeding myself from hand to mouth. It's even more better when I was in the Nigeria than now that I am outside country. Yes, when you lost your glory, it is very difficult for you to make it in life. It is very difficult for things to move for you. But I am here with a solution on how you can recover your lost glory. Even if you lost it through dreaming, or you lost it through eating jejekuje. Yes, a lot of parties that you attend on this earth, on this world, on this part of the country that I am into, not every party that you attend is genuine. Some people, they organize party for their sacrifice. From time to time, they find something to do, telling people, I am doing a remembrance of my uncle, I am doing birthday for my mother, I am doing birthday for my sister. All those things you are seeing, they are calling you to come and eat. And to eat, and after eating, you will lose your glory in that spot. They knows what they are doing. Not every occasion they invite you that you will attend. Don't, because of what you will eat or what you will get, and lose your glory. A lot of people have lost their glory without knowing it. But I am here for you to recover all that you have lost. Yes, if only you will believe and practice and put this my spiritual tips in practice. I just need 13 people that will do this and come back with testimony. This is not fetish. It is not voodoo. Yes, this is not voodoo. It is not a, how will I put it? It is not cock and bull story. I am not telling cock and bull story here. It is tested and trusted. And I am not exaggerating. Anybody can do this. Be you a Muslim, be you a Christian, be you a Voodoo, be you a Hindus, be you a Sangoma, be you a native doctor. You can do this. If you notice that for some times now, things has been somehow for you. If you notice that you are no longer operating on your line of destiny, if you notice that your glory has been stolen, you are a human being. And as a human being, you need to study yourself and your spiritual mind. You need to know when things are not working right for you. And you need to know when it started and when it's going to end. That is what makes you a human being. For you that have lost your glory, what are you going to do to recover your glory? We need only one item to recover your glory. And that item is what? We call it bitter leaf. You see the item. We call it bitter leaf. With this item, you can recover your lost glory. And how are you going to recover your lost glory with bitter leaf? Power no be powder, no be anointing, no be juju. You will try this. I need 13 people that will try this. If you know that your glory has been tampered, if you know that your destiny has been tampered, if you know that the speed you are moving before, you are no longer on that speed, take a spiritual bath with bitter leaf. How are you going to do it? Pack enough bitter leaf, squeeze it as if you are going to eat it. Squeeze it very well inside the water, inside the bucket of water. After squeezing it, add water to it, a water that will be enough for you to take your bath. After squeezing this bitter leaf, add water to it. Then you begin to pray. Call back your lost glory. Call back your lost contact. Call back your lost connection. Everything that you have lost. Call back your business. Call back your friendship, your relationship. Call back your past friends, that people that matters in your life. Call them back on that water. And you use a spoon of salt. You can use table salt. And if you have sea salt, you can add to the water. Turn it 7 times and call your name 7 times. But this bed, you can do it anytime, both in the morning, both in the afternoon, both in the evening. There's no time that is exhausted or what. Yes, anytime you can do this. Yes. After you have called back your glory, then take the water and take your bath. After taking your bath, make sure you are not going to scrub it. Allow it to dry. Do this twice in a week if you are really passing through this. Yes. Or if you are not, even though you are not passing through it and you want to practice this to protect yourself, do this 2 times in a month and you will see anywhere your glory has been held on, your glory will be released starting from the day that you started this spiritual recipe or assignment. I am coming to the end of this video. You that are watching me on here and those that are not are going to watch me later. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask, as my number still remains +234 7088136610. That is my number, and you can also see it on the screen. And if you have anything you need me to be involved in spiritually, don't hesitate to contact me. God bless you for bringing out your time in watching me once again. Please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all, so that whenever I post a video like this, you will be notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section. Please don't hesitate to do this assignment. Yes, and if you are on your period, you don't need to do this until you are off from your time. God bless you.